Hello friends, you watching hashtag civil engineering content. Friends, this second lecture on Google Earth Pro. So in this lecture video, we learn about specify folder or specify place that you want. So friend, likewise, you make your own boundary. Hope you like this video and enjoy this video. And this video hope you learnful. So friend, likewise this video, I'm really appreciate you all for subscribe me complete 300 subscriber. So come soon with another video.